Okay, so today we are gonna unbox and testing new headphones, noise cancelling headphones from JVC. And I'm actually bought them because unfortunately my old headphones here are no longer functioning. And I'm not talking about the worn out cushion, because that's actually not a problem, because I'm always repairing them with, like you see here, with a Pantyhose. And so that's not a big deal, and I'm often use that for new new headphones like these, actually to protect them. But you could also use them for old ones like them. They're not cut in size for them, but you kind of get the idea, right? So you could repair them, and then it would look something like this. And I actually have these speakers here, where the inner part was worn out, and I repaired it with an old pair of socks. But that's not the video today. I just wanted to tell you, usually not throw stuff away, worn out speakers, but the ones I had are unfortunately just no longer working. So these are the JVC noise cancelling headphones. They are called HA S75N, and apparently if you have a Bluetooth connection they run 50 hours on battery, and if you have noise cancellation plus Bluetooth they run 35 hours on a single charge. And now the first thing I want to see is actually how I would call it the cushion looks like. Now, let's just unpack that baby real quick. And let's see if there is something else in the box. No, there's nothing else in the box. So how do we actually get that open? That is just the handle, and then we are opening them like so. And it's actually just the headphones, and then a USB-C charging cable. Now let me get just my other headphones real quick for comparison. And there is one thing I'm actually noticing right away, and I am not sure if I'm actually liking that or not. So first thing I want to say, we have a little cushion here, but it's hard here. So the old ones I have, they have the cushion going all the way around here. And they have a pretty good cushion here, and most important, they have one here on the inside like a foam. Now these here, they have just honestly like the Pantyhose I've showed you, but here, and I'm gonna go closer, there's actually something hard I can literally feel. So I'm not sure if I like that. Now the cushion itself for the ears, it's fine, but this one here actually, it's also bigger, and that can become an issue because I'm wearing glasses like these, and sometimes it kind of hurts if the cushion is not good enough. Now with these, you see, there's actually way more cushioning like with these. So that's kind of a little bit of a bummer, first thing. And then next thing here, let's see, also here we actually have a better cushion for the head. Now I didn't try them on yet, so maybe it's unfair, so we're gonna see that. Best comparison would be maybe my headsets for the computer. They are kind of, you see that? The cushioning is kind of similar in size. Now let's just see, we can swivel them around like, I'd say, yeah, 90 degrees. If you want to say so, that's okay. The others I had, could also turn them like 90 degrees, right? But that's okay. And let me just see the others I had. So the 90 degrees seems to be kind of the standard. Then how can we adjust them? So of course you have you can adjust them here as well, but that should be actually standard on a headphone. Now the difference is the old ones I have are pretty heavy in comparison to them. So that's actually a pretty good sign. Then down here we have the USB-C connector, and then we have a power on off button. And then here we have a noise cancellation button. We have another button here. I guess that's to turn off the noise cancellation, and then we have a where we can adjust actually just I'd say how loud we want to hear. And I guess I need to charge them actually. That's funny because it appears there is no light indicator. Now that's actually not a good thing. So you do not even know if they're on or off. They come with a smartphone app. I am not sure if I'm ever going to use it, so let me real quick charge them and also put them on the head to tell you how they are actually sitting on the head. Now how can we actually adjust them in the length? So that's doable, so we can do it like this, so that's good. Now let me charge them and then part 2 of the video. Alrighty, I've charged the headphones meanwhile, and I was also listening to music and wearing them for half an hour, and I have to say they are pretty comfortable. No complaints here at all. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how the smartphone app looks like, at least on my iPhone. The cushions are actually better than I've thought, the cushions for the ear. Actually, the fit on the head, it's also good. So there is no complaints. And I kind of even like the sound of them. So you can change between 3 sound settings. The one is called flat, the other one is called bass, and the third one, I think it's called ambient. I forgot that, but you're gonna see that actually at the end of the video when you see how when I show the app. I used it with the bass function. There is no complaints here. They are loud enough. Usually I use them either when I'm flying. That's why I wanted noise cancelling headphones, or when I walk the dog. And usually when I walk the dog, I don't hear the music so loud because I want to know what's going on. So my first impression, it's actually they are better and more comfy than I've thought. I actually really thought that they are not comfy. They are, and they are actually way lighter than the other headphones I showed you. And I guess that's maybe a part of the comfiness. Since they are lighter, it's just not so much weight on your head. And the cushions here are good. Also, you have you see the flex here, but it's just enough flex that it's comfortable, but also there is enough tension that it's not falling from your head. You can actually see here, here you see it, it's kind of embossed in here that it's the right side and the left side, which is always good to know. But I've also noticed that on the left side you have these 3 pins coming out here. So I guess that's just when it's dark that you can feel that it's the left side. It took me actually just half an hour to fully charge it. The manual reads that it's 3 hours, so maybe they were pre-charged. I also connected them via Bluetooth, and for my use case, I honestly do not even need the smartphone app, to truth being told, because I just use them, as I said, when I walk the dog or when I am flying. And most of the times I just use them during winter here in Michigan because The thing is, it's so cold sometimes with the wind chill in Michigan that you would need maybe ear warmers, but these noise canceling headphones are actually serving the same purpose. They keep your ears warm. And so yes, just to wrap this thing up, by the way, it comes with a manual guarantee card. So yes, these JVC HA S75N noise cancelling headphones are, I'd say, okay. I paid $80. I'd say it's a fair price. It's not really cheap. There are surely better headphones, noise cancelling headphones in the market, but for what I need them, it's perfect. And I really like that they are so much lighter than the ones I had